In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accomplishments to your LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. This is a really effective way to showcase your achievements and skills to potential employers or connections. So let's dive right into the process. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be greeted by the sign in page. Here you can choose to sign in using either your Google or Apple account, or you can simply enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your login by sending a code to your phone. Remember to have your phone handy to complete this step swiftly. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed straight to your LinkedIn profile page. From there, look to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select View My Profile. This will take you to the main page of your profile where all the magic happens. To start adding accomplishments, locate the Add Profile section button, which you'll find just below your profile picture. Clicking on this will give you a variety of options. You're looking for the additional drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see various sections related to accomplishments such as honors and awards, certifications, and projects. Choose the section that best fits the accomplishment you wish to add. For this guide, we'll be selecting the honors and awards option. After making your selection, you'll be taken to a new page where you can enter all the details about your accomplishment. This includes fields for the name of the award, the organization that presented it, and the date you received it. Be sure to fill in all the required information accurately, as this helps maintain the credibility and completeness of your profile. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review your information. If everything looks correct, proceed to click the Save button. And just like that, you've successfully added a new accomplishment to your LinkedIn profile. Now, you've got a powerful way to highlight your achievements on LinkedIn. This not only strengthens your professional presence, but also makes your profile more attractive to recruiters and colleagues alike. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn up to date is an ongoing process, so don't hesitate to add and update accomplishments as you progress in your career. Thanks for watching and happy networking.